What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to create animated GIFs using Premiere Pro. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After importing your clip to Premiere Pro and adding it to your timeline, you might want to make sure that its start and end is going to make sense in a GIF format when being looped. Select your clip in your timeline and use the X key to quickly create in and out points. When this is done, navigate to File, Export, Media, or use the shortcut Ctrl and M. On this window, under Format, make sure to select Animated GIF in this drop-down menu. Below, make sure to choose a preset that makes sense for the use of your animated GIF. In case you want to send it in emails, share it to friends, or for other social media purposes, then a medium bitrate preset should be more than enough. You can preview the estimated file size at the bottom of this window in case you have maximum file size requirements. In your Video tab, you can in addition reduce the height or width while keeping your scaling linked to further reduce the file size. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.